So usually we just do learning. But studying is not all about learning. It's also about understanding what we're learning. That's where tests help us. See, if you don't know how to count, that's okay. But you still have to try. And if you don't know how to write, that's also okay. You still have to try. Now, if you have not seen our counting 1 to 10 and counting 10 to 20 videos, you're missing out. But after this, you can watch those videos. Right now, you have to try, and then you can come back and take this test again. But for now, watch this video, try to follow, and let's go. First, we're gonna go over the rules. So I'm gonna give you a picture. You have to count each set of objects, write the number on your whiteboard and hold it up. If you don't have a whiteboard, use a piece of paper. The correct answer will be shown after everyone has their whiteboards or papers in the air. So go grab your whiteboards and go grab your papers and pencils, and let's begin. How many raindrops do you see? Fun fact, raindrops are a form of precipitation. Precipitation is in many different forms like snow, hail, and sleet as well. If you all know, if you're all in hot cities where it's hot all the time, you would know that raindrops, and when the rain comes down, it makes all of the plants feel better, or us feel better, and the weather feel all windy and nice. Now, let's go back to the test. Are you guys done? Have you guys counted? Have you guys rechecked? And have you guys written your answer? Okay, let's move on. Number 12 was the answer. There were 12 raindrops. How many flowers do you see in this picture? Flowers come in all different colors and all different shapes and sizes. Flowers have parts called flower petals, and flower petals are so soft. Most animals or bugs feed off of flowers. Some flowers smell very good, like roses. Others don't smell like anything. They don't have a smell at all. Are you guys done? Sure? Have you guys written it, checked it, and make sure your answer is not wrong? Is it neat? Okay. Let's go to the answer. Number 14. F for 14. 1 for 14. There were 14 flowers. How many candles are there? We light candles on birthdays and sometimes when the light goes out. Some candles are like flowers, they're scented, and some, also like flowers, are not scented. Scented means they have a smell on and unscented or non-scented means they don't have a smell. So, are you guys done? Let's move on. The answer was number 10. 1, 0, 10. T for 10. 1, 0, 10. There were 10 candles. How many bears are there? We call our stuffed bears, which we sometimes sleep with, also bears or teddy bears, and they're wild ones. The wild ones are very angry and untamed, meaning they can hurt you if they have not been kept nicely, safely, or just grown up in the wild. They can hurt you, so don't go close to them. But if they're pets to people or they're your pets, then and they're not angry all the time, and you asked your parent that you can touch them and they say yes, then go for it. Some bears are the sweetest things ever. They're so cuddly and they're so nice. But make sure you ask a parent before touching any wildlife animal. Are you done counting the bears? Okay, there were 8 bears. E-G-8. E for 8. Now, how many apples do you see in this picture? I see a lot of apples. Can you count them? Apples are so yummy and juicy fruits. They're so healthy for us. Have you heard of the quote, "Eat an apple a day keeps a doctor away"? Meaning that if you eat an apple, you won't have to go to the doctor. Because you only go to the doctor when you don't feel well. And if you eat apples, then you will be well. But you also have to make sure that you eat everything properly and keep good care of your hygiene as well. Let's go to the answer. The answer is number 11. There were 11 apples. 11 red juicy apples. E for 11. E-11. 1-1-11. Now, how many balls do you see? I see a ton. Can you count them? There's so many different types of balls. Some you play catch with, some you play football with, some you play basketball with, some you just roll onto the ground, some you play soccer with, some you play throw ball with, some you play tennis with, some you play cricket with, some you play badminton with. So there's so many different types of balls. Can you count them? Oh, good, you've already counted them. Have you written them? Now, let's move on to the number of balls there were in this picture. There were 18 balls. E for 18. 1, 8, 18. How many kites do you see? They fly kites. Have you ever went to your rooftop and flown a kite? I bet your parents have done it as well. And if you have done it, that's the best thing ever. Learning how to use a kite is so fun. You can go up to your rooftop with your parents or any other trusted adult and then fly a kite with them. K for kite. Are you done? Good. Let's go to the number of kites there were. There were 15 kites. Did you get it right? I'm sure you did. And if you did not, that's okay. 15 is a hard number. Now, how many lemons do you see? Lemons are sour, but some people love to eat them like me. And some people don't like to eat them. We put them in our food, in some traditional dishes, and they start with the letter L. L for lemons. Lemons come sometimes in yellow color and sometimes in green color, but from the inside they're always yellow. If they're not, then you should ask a parent if they're okay to eat. Now, there were 13 lemons. Did you get it right? T for 13. 1, 3, 13. How many acorns do you see in this picture? This is a very easy one. I'm sure you'll get it. A for acorns. Squirrels love to eat them. They're brown. Not the squirrels, the acorns. The acorns are brown. Acorns start with the first letter of the alphabet, which is A. You counted them? Okay. There were 9 acorns. N for 9. You're doing such a good job. I'm so proud of you. N for 9. Now, this one's gonna be very difficult. How many socks do you see? Socks come in pairs. We wear them. But right now, we're not going to count them in pairs. We're going to count them separately as one. We're going to count one sock as 1, 2 sock as 2. A pair means 2 together. Do you wear 2 socks? Or are you silly and wear 1 sock when you wear your shoes or are just in the house? Because if you wear 1 sock, that's not right. You have to wear 2 socks. One on one feet, the other one on the other feet. We don't call 1 foot feet, we call it foot. And 2 feet make 1 whole feet. If you plus 1 foot by 1 foot, that makes 2 feet. I think that's enough time. Let's go to the next number. How many number of socks are there? Have you rechecked? Let's review the answer. There are 20 socks. So many socks. Now, how many pencils do you see? This is an easy one. We use pencils in school, and if you're working with a paper, we had already discussed what pencils are. You write with them. They're made of graphite and wood, and the top of it, if there's an eraser, is made of rubber. And how many pencils did you count? Was it 16? Because there were 16 pencils. You did a great job. And if you have a printer at home, do print this out and stick it on yourself. This badge is for you, because you did an awesome job. And if you had fun, comment down below what was your favorite part. And I hope you learned. Bye!